Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
What's up, guys? Both sides coming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, are we there with another
Brand new banger.
Why you do it, John Cross?
But as usual, guys, right before we get tonight, just remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it really helps out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway, peeps, no more itching. Right into it. Alright, peeps, first video I know. Make we go check it out.
Me want ask my future husband something. Where are you, sir? You go wait until my boyfriend done out a little grip out of me and me nah no virgin left in me again before you find me?
Oh!
Eh? Alas, you last and afraid for ask the direction?
Why you do it, John Cross?
Eh? You go wait until he left from second hand pum pum to 10 hand pum pum me and touch it 10 mark now, you know? When this a man, if this a man, if he left me no or me left this a man at 10 that me gone, you know?
Bruh.
Eh? You not come find me? Hmm? You make me left off of my finger and I go start from my toe, it can't work. So me don't know if you have to go turn on the GPS or what kind of tracker you have to go turn on, but you have to go find me. Cause me now wait until when you find me now and you go in a hit and drop down a bag walk guard now you go blame me. When are you an idiot? Where are you? You can't.
Future husband for the woman. Where are you? Somebody find this lady a husband right now. Where are you, future husband? See the woman woman say, yeah, go wait till they mash up her. At 10 she gone, you know. She gone off her all finger. At 2 she gone. The struggle is real, as Rapper Crab wanna say. Where are you, future husband? You're selfish. She wants to find you now. Your GPS mash up. What, the car broke down? Alright, peeps. So pretty much them clips here are pretty much like flooding what happened throughout the days them in another week here. Or yesterday. Marcus Garvey, Mavis Bank, the little rain will fall because of the hurricane way or the storm will pass way cause one bag of havoc on the road and all over Jamaica. So pretty much we just going to watch this and see how it actually, what kind of damage it has pretty much done in Kingston. So make we check it out now.
Gosh. Gosh.
Watch it. Yo, the road gone, you know. Watch out.
Wow, shit,
Watch out. A landslide that, you know. Mavis Bank that, you know. Nobody can go nowhere right now, you know. Yo, people, That are just some of the clips them. Some of the clips them. Pretty much. Yo, it set away. It really set away. Yo, and for Kingston, may I tell you again, government, prime minister, what happened to the money what wanna get that area? We wanna say we gonna do almost $200 million drainage upgrade or drainage program. Remember that. And the second time I say this to you, where the money there? Cause you clearly can see in a Kingston, the reason why that happened, because they don't have a proper drainage system. Not only that, Jamaican people, yeah, I say it, Jamaican people, when you yam the thing them, and so, and the garbage them, when you dash them on the road, dash them all about the place, then when it run through, it clog up the drainage them. And them things they the government alone for blame. We Jamaican people forget blame too. I don't know if people are go vex, but guess what? I just saw my channel stay now, we keep it real. We not pretty up nothing. You know what I mean? Yeah man, we need to do better. And government, where the money there? Where the money there for that project there? Anyway, next video.
People have to get up and fight back for your rights. Do not wear any masks. It's a common flu. Coronavirus is just a common flu. And we have herbs, we have fruits and vegetables. Mother Nature provides for her people.
The group also expressed their dissatisfaction with the closure of the sites usually used by Jamaicans in droves.
We're not social distance nowhere. We're not sanitary.
You stupid.
We're not master our immune system. We're not curfew. We will not live on a new normal. We're not confined to this. We're not work with it. And the elderly people, this is a plan to kill out the elderly people and we cannot give them pension.
Why you do it, John Croft?
It was at this moment that she knew.
You know them always say, one fool make many. Miss, if the big C was just a common flu, would people be dying like that? Eh? Some of the conspiracy theorists or whatever they want to call them. When you really need to stop and think before you do things. If it was just a common flu, would people be dying like that? Clearly, miss, you know what go on. And people like you, your mindset will turn many other people into the idiot like you, cause the thing fi spread and them fi lock up you. Yeah man, them fi lock you up man, cause guess what, you're a danger to the state. You're a danger. Yeah man, you're a danger. My friend, think here. Think. Just think.
Are we supposed to just pick some random letters to fill in the blank? Because I didn't see an example or a further instruction to show or something to read to figure out the sentence that is here.
Good morning, miss. I'm born at yard. Me no feel to do work because when I do work at yard, we can't all hear what I say. And if you come out with a little vibe.
Dongs. Me ang tan dongs. This Google some na work of China. Me tan dongs. Me done with work. When I say me text back and not me done. Like me typically, me mentally, me abusively, verbally, sexually, every alley done with work. Me done. You better me dongs than a me yard and text. That me get me degree already. Me no want no more degree.
Then, me not chat back. Me not even voice note your back. Me put the phone on charge and me go watch back the show. Cause for long me there, so but me But me write off things and then when they done you go and chat about teacher not take it but still write it. Me not write nothing. You so much me dep on it, me not write nothing. The words and turn back way, me not write. If words and turn upside down or back way, anywhere they not turn. Me not write nothing. And
hi guys, it's Udos. I hope you guys are staying safe in these difficult times. And if anyone needs face mask, you could just use the old G-string right here. You can get one from your girlfriend, from your mom, your sister, anyone. This works perfectly fine, as you can see. You just gotta do it like this, and then you can tuck it in here if you want, like that. Look at that. Face mask. Do it yourself. That's right.
Alright, peeps. I hope you enjoyed that video then, me are dead. You saw the school pitney them. You saw the school pitney them. And yo, them not easy. Me don't even say annoying. But they will give themselves trouble. Me don't know. But boy, that big C thing are really have people away. You heard the parent asks the woman say, the teacher say, no, I'll have to read, you know. I'll have to just read the top part where say, you know what I mean, fill in the letters. You know what I mean? We form out the alphabetical order. That's all. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, etc, etc, etc. She not paying no attention. I guess she does things that just to spell out some word and stuff like that. Man, it's crazy. The woman there with the cough, watch yourself, my friend. And everybody do that thing there, yeah? You will get beaten for that. Why Jamaica it a flood out? Until it really set away. You man, what about anti-mask people? You're crazy, you know no sense. And the woman that talk about her husband, she want, here I am. Future husband, where are you? The woman that cuss about her husband. But anyway, peeps, just a quick one. Hope you enjoy it and think. Big up on yourself. And we're there. So just go on journey with your boy. And thank you very much for watching. Y'all the greatest in the world. Remember that nothing can stop us. Cause Kada will rock. Ashoo!
No matter how the time get hard, man, I go flip the paper. Like COVID could slow it down, we stop the bricks for later. Fire the devil cause it real and you're not Mr. Maker. Big up the